Want to talk about your environmental initiative as well. You have pledged that the Real Real will be carbon neutral in 2021. What led you to make that promise, and how are you planning to carry it out?
Look, the Real Real by its nature is all about it's such a positive impact on the environment because if you recirculate goods, you're not putting them in landfill. So our basic business model has had an incredibly positive impact on the carbon footprint. However, we still run warehouses. We still have people running on their cars. We have people commuting. And so when you looked at our carbon footprint as a business, not just the business we're in, we had some work to do.
Hmm.
And Marco Bizzarri, the CEO of Gucci, came to me and basically said, I'm going to businesses in fashion and other businesses I know and asking them to take a pledge ahead of what the United Nations is doing to get your carbon footprint neutral as fast as possible. Will you do it? And we signed up because we have to. Now, there are multiple ways to get that done. One is you buy carbon offsets. All right. So we may have to do a little bit of that next year, but we have a team dedicated to making sure our basic operations are becoming more and more and more environmentally clean. And we may have to buy some carbon offsets next year, but we have a team that will keep continually drive that down and make different choices. And why is that important? Because we all live on this planet. The
Hmm.
basic, the there are many good things about the Real Real, but the overarching thing, it is such a sustainable way to shop. And if you own things, it's such a sustainable way to get rid of those things. If you have things of value, and
Yeah.
if you give them to places that may donate it, they may end up in a landfill because they get
Hmm.
so many donations. So when you think of what you buy or what you consign, you can rest assured that keeping it in circulation, the economy is just good for all. And
Hmm.
we really needed to walk the walk and make sure our business was as clean as our business proposition.